Toyota Century is a luxury sedan produced by Toyota, Japan's largest automobile manufacturer, specifically designed for the Japanese market. The Century is known for its elegant and refined design, exceptional comfort, and advanced technology. It is considered one of the most prestigious and exclusive vehicles in Toyota's lineup. The Century's design is characterized by its sleek and aerodynamic body, with a bold front grille, swept-back headlights, and a curved roofline. The interior is equally impressive, with premium materials, advanced technology, and a range of comfort and convenience features. The Century's cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with ample legroom and cargo space. Under the hood, the Century is powered by a range of advanced engines, including a 5.0-liter V8 hybrid powertrain that delivers exceptional performance and fuel efficiency. The car's transmission is an advanced 8-speed automatic, which provides seamless shifting and optimal power delivery. The Century also features Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and stability on a variety of road surfaces. The Century is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, including Toyota's pre-crash safety system, which can detect and respond to potential collisions. Other safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system. In terms of technology, the Century is one of the most advanced cars in its class, with a range of innovative features and systems. The car's infotainment system is based on Toyota's advanced Intune platform, which provides seamless connectivity and integration with smartphones and other devices. The Century also features Toyota's advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. On the road, the Century is a joy to drive, with precise and responsive handling, smooth and quiet ride, and exceptional acceleration and braking performance. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, making it a great choice for drivers who live in areas with inclement weather. The Century is also known for its exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, with a focus on providing a luxurious and refined driving experience. The car's interior is handcrafted by skilled artisans, with a focus on using only the finest materials and techniques. Overall, the Toyota Century is a truly exceptional vehicle that offers a unique combination of style, comfort, and advanced technology. With its elegant design, exceptional performance, and luxurious interior, the Century is the perfect choice for discerning drivers who demand the very best.